Hello, my name is Aditi and I'm a student at EduRead Public Speaking Training Program. Talking about my public speaker role model, I have always looked up to Jay Shetty. He's an author, he's a former Hindu monk, and now he's a life coach. Uh, he belongs to an NRI family living in UK who wanted him to learn Indian values, but he paid no heed to their concerns. And one day when he saw a monk, he realized that that monk was genuinely happy, and he decided that he wanted to be that person. And ever since, his journey has begun. And now he talks about mental health, wellness, professions, relationships, and purpose. The reason I look up to him is that he's very confident and comfortable in his own being, and the way he talks, the way he expresses, the way he carries himself is quite inspiring. Why I joined this training program is that I wanted to be the person who can go up to public and speak and not be afraid of being embarrassed or making embarrassment of myself. So that's what I think I learned from this. Thank you. Hello, my name is Aditi Gattani and I'm student at EduRead Public Speaking Training Program. For me, what law of attraction is that you put a thought into universe and universe helps you to achieve it. Uh, it can be a good thought, bad thought, positive, negative, any kind of thought, and universe helps you to achieve it. As humans, we can use this technique to gain so much. We can surround ourselves with positive thoughts, we can think positive, and we can surround us with positive people and get a positive outcome. For me, there have when I look back to my life, there have been so many instances where I have seen this happen, and I have used that not knowingly, not knowing that this is law of attraction. Just unknowingly, I have used this so many times. There have been instances. For me, what works is when I want something, I am chanting opposite of it, but manifesting what I actually want. And I have got that way so many times. So I think it works. And again, a logical explanation for it might be when we are told that surround yourself with positive people, it changes our mentality. When we are surrounded by positive people, we think positive, and suddenly everything seems possible, and that way we are able to achieve it. So I think that's the logical explanation for it. So that's what I think of law of attraction. Thank you.